I got sent the wooden utensil set from the Woodenhouse Lifelong Quality Store, and I'm going to be honest with you, I'm about ready to throw all my other utensils away. There is something about cooking with wooden utensils that I didn't know was so awesome. So first off, you get your care card just to tell you how to take care of them since they will last you for a long time. I love the fact that everything came wrapped beautifully, and when I unwrapped one, I almost gasped. This wood grain is beautiful. It also comes with a spoon rest or a utensil rest, so you don't have to get your countertops or stove dirty. Look at all of them. I love how they are all unique and different, but they just go together. I love this set. Let me say that. I also love the fact that each utensil comes pre-drilled with holes, which is going to coincide with the hooks that they send you. So if you want to hang them from something, you absolutely can. So you're going to get 10 different utensils. You're going to get a spoon holder, utensil holder, and a spoon rest along with the hooks. That is a ton of stuff just for that price you're paying. They are durable. They are made of teak, and they are safe to use in all of your non-stick pans. This would make a beautiful wedding gift or new home gift or just a birthday gift for someone. And when I tell you these are elegant, I would love to receive these. You see, I had to get my own, but I would love to get these as a gift. And the best thing about it, these comes with a lifetime satisfaction guarantee. So if you're looking to give an amazing gift or just upped your utensil game at your home, these are perfect for you.